welcome back. Interactive board technology has made the chalk and talk sessions in schools interesting. Kendra Vidyalaya Sanstha is the first school in Goa to introduce teaching methods through interactive board. This has made the teaching and learning process easier and quicker. Students in the class seem attentive and are responding well to this new technique.
Gone are the days of blackboards and chalks. Teachers and students are looking forward to a new technology and techniques in teaching and learning. One such technology in the market is the interactive board. This board has made subjects like the biology and chemistry more interesting for the children.
Makes even a boring subject a very interesting one, and it has many features as you have seen, and all are very good. One of the most important feature which I like about it is that recording system. If in case the sir is not able to come to class or is absent, and instead of wasting our time, we can just open that thing and see what he had taught us yesterday and recall it and revise it. It will save a lot of time.
In biology, we can see the dissections of an organism which is not possible in the lab. Or like in physics or chemistry, if we want to learn a particular process or a mechanism, it can be seen visually, which helps us in memorizing very easily.
Teachers feel that there is no fear of allergy and health hazard as there are no more chemical chalks.
After the coming of this interactive board, so it is totally dust-free, pollution-free, and teachers as well as students. For students also, it is very beneficial.
The principal of the school, Rupa Katiyar, says the school is adopting a newer technology and techniques to make learning process easier and interesting for the students.
Each class having one section at least with interactive boards, and apart from that, two we were able to purchase at school level, and at present we have 12 interactive boards in our school.
Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
And now look at the state of nallas in the state. A person in Baina, Vasco has constructed a building on the nalla adjoining the sea in Baina area at Vasco. While in Mapsa, a builder has dumped construction pipes and unwanted material in nalla, blocking the subway of water to the rivulet. Have a look.
मुरगांव तालुक्यात म्युनिसिपालिटीच्या एरियन इल्लीगल कामां खूब जायत आसा. तशेंच हें एक फाटल्यान म्हाजें काम चल्लेलें आसा इल्लीगल. हें काम बुटेबाट ग्रावंडाच्या फाटल्यान जो नाला आसा, जो नाला सगळ्या बायणाचें उदक घेवन सगळ्या दर्याक व्हरून पावयता, त्या नालाच्या भितरूच हें काम चल्लेलें आसा. आतां चीफ ऑफिसरान पळयलें हांगसर तें येवन काम, आनी चीफ ऑफिसर सांगता इल्लीगल म्हणून हें सगळें काम. आनी तो हाऊस ओनर आहा तो म्हणटा आपणें परमिशन मागला हाऊस रिपेराक, पूण आजून आपल्याक परमिशन मेळ्ळा काय ना ते सांगपाक तो हिचकिसता. कोणाचें घर तें?
माझे घर.
कितले वर्स जाले ते घर आसलेलें तेजें?
हांगा 20 वर्सां जाली आमी रावता.
आनी आतां ते बांदता कित्याक लागून परमिशन घेतला बीन?
हय परमिशन हांगा हें घेतलेलें म्युनिसिपालिटी एप्लिकेशन दिल्लो हांवें.
एप्लिकेशन दिला पूण ताका परमिशन मेळोंक ना अजून?
दिला.
म्युनिसिपालिटीन परमिशन दिला तुमकां बांद म्हणून?
हय मेळ्ळा. हय.
We have seen the construction going on. There is no permission granted. I will send my GE and get a workshop immediately.
पूण अशी ही कामां म्युनिसिपालिटी स्टॉप करतली आनी एक्शन घेतली काय कितें, होच एक गहन प्रश्न जाल्लो आसा. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
Nalla Bachao members of Kolli are agitated as the builder of a construction has blocked the nalla, dumping all pipes and other construction material. They have asked the Mapsa municipality to take action and release the blockade.
आमच्या फाटल्यान सगळो डोंगर आसा, घाटेश्वर नगर आसा व्हडलें. तर हो नालो आज इतलो गरजेचो आसा की वयरच्यान उदक जें व्हांवता पळय, वयरच्यान आख्ख्या दोंगरा वयलें उदक ह्या नाल्यान एक व्हांवता आनी 2-3 नाले आसा त्या नाल्यांच्यान सगळे मेन तार नदीक जो जॉयंट जाला नालो तेका जॉयंट जाता. हे म्हण अशेंच म्हण बंद करीत रावले जाल्यार हे उदक सगळे रस्त्यावरच्यान वचोन खंय पर्यंत पावत तें खबर ना.
Chief Officer of Mapsa Municipality, Hanuman Toraskar, has ordered the builder not to use the nala for private purpose.
Since he had blocked the way of the nala and there was a complaint against this blockage, therefore I have issued the order.
Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Kingfisher Voice of Goa finals for the Konkani section was held on Saturday. Evola Marcelo was awarded as the winner from this section. Famous singer Lucky Ali enthralled the audience. Finals in the English category were held on Sunday at the SGPDA ground in Margao. Here is the winner in Konkani section, Evola, singing for Goa.
La 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 ri ru la 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 ri ru la 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 volta incintali, vedeli Mulondre, Lisboa, Noro Wasatu Isur, Awasare Goa, Citlele Citopure Zala Puro, rideva, Coscisateli, Polonte Lisboa.
कभी ऐसा लगता है दिल में एक राज है जिसे कहना चाहूं पर मैं कह पाऊंगा आँखों में कह जाती है जो खामोशियों की कैसी जुबान
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.